Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to convert lowercase to uppercase or uppercase to lowercase. To do that, click on the Transform Data icon from the top of ribbon to open Power Query. Here we will convert the salesperson name to lowercase. To do that, click on the column header, then click on the Format icon at the top. You will get various options to convert your data. I will select lowercase. Now we have converted our data into lowercase. Following the same steps, I will convert the lowercase data to uppercase. We have now created lowercase as well as uppercase. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates. Click on the link at your screen to learn to create an awesome dynamic dashboard in minutes. Check out other interesting videos on the BI Nerd. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the BI Nerd.